Sing it with me now, working at the car wash. Some of the work is kind of hard. This ain't no place to be if you plan on being started. Let me tell you, it's always cool. There are so much sometimes you be acting like a fool. Working at the car wash.
What's that car wash? I gotcha. Kevin made us do this vehicle.
Now come on and work it with me now.
Oh my gosh.
Good morning, Celebration. We just wanted to say thank you for all that you have done for our youth, supporting us in this car wash and everything else that you've done trying to get our kids to camp this year.
We are leaving for camp this coming Thursday, the 11th. We're going to be there till the next Monday, which is the 15th. If you guys could continue to pray for us, that would be great. It's going to be an awesome time. We're hoping that everybody that's there grows closer to the Lord and we come back with no broken toes and no other injuries, and it's going to be fabulous. So thank you so much, and keep us in your prayers this next week. Goodbye.